Okay, so for our vocabulary online, first for the automatic drawing, I have draw spontaneously, allowing your pen to meander around the page, give up control, and the need to have a recognizable picture. So here's my automatic drawing example. Turned out pretty cute. Then continuous contour. One continuous line without picking up your pen or pencil, a line that defines the edges of and within an object. I did a little continuous contour without looking of like a man. Looked something like him, right? But there's my like blind contour drawing that I decided to do. And then my mapping marks. All of these definitions I did get from our fodder textbook. Some of the questions that I saw were like, what kind of marks do I see, or like what type of lines do I see? And I did my neighborhood, and so like I'm seeing like curved lines but also straight lines, and other like marks of like the houses and like schools and stuff. One thing that like I found interesting was that they said like it's a concrete example of our own connections to people and places. So there's for the definitions from fodder. And then for the rest of the line definitions, I just did line at the top and a mark made on a surface that is a fundamental visual element and one of the building blocks of art. And then for expressive line, it told me that it's often loose, curved, and gestural and appears to come from the artist's emotion. So I just did some like lines that look emotional or like could have emotion behind them. And then this contour drawing, I like looked while I did it, and I feel like it turned out worse than my other one. So I just did another definition that I got from the internet that says an imaginary line that connects points of equal value. And then for the cross-hatching, a method of line drawing that describes light and shadow. And I found this like example that taught me how to draw this guy with cross-hatching, which was really fun, because I feel like every other time I've tried cross-hatching, it doesn't turn out how I wanted it to, and I feel like it turned out pretty okay for this one when I followed that like demonstration. So yeah, that's my definitions and stuff for line.